It's not all bad news in the UK. There have been several important recent legal victories won by activists and campaigners. On Tuesday, the Jersey-based solidarity activist Natalie Strecker was cleared of terrorism charges in a case which local media followed on its front pages and reported as a landmark trial. She was charged with inviting support for a prescribed terrorist group after she posted on social media that Palestinians have the right to resistance under international law. I talked to Strecker yesterday. She told me that 20 minutes of the prosecution's case in court was spent reading out the entirety of this 2021 article by the Electronic Intifada's own Ali Abu Nama titled "It's Time to Change Liberal Discourse About Hamas." In a second case, journalist Greg Hadfield was cleared in a Brighton court of allegations of harassment and obscenity over reporting he did at the start of this year exposing the activities of 𝐓𝐴 𝐶𝐞, a former Labour government minister and a pro-Israel lobbyist. At Brighton Magistrates Court last month, the judge ruled that Hadfield had been whistleblowing and frustrated by the inaction of other parties and bringing the information to a more public platform. Now, for the final recent legal victory, we've got to return to my homeland of Wales to congratulate Hibba Ahmed and Aisha Behit, whose conviction for harassment was overturned at Cardiff Magistrates Court 2 weeks ago. Ahmed and Behit were disgracefully pursued through the courts for 16 months by their local Labour lawmaker for Pontypridd, Alex Davies-Jones, who you're about to see in this exclusive video. She's now a minister at the Ministry of Justice, of all places. In this video, playing silently, it's an EI exclusive. It's never been shown in full before. It's the full interaction which proves the pair's innocence and appears to show that Alex Davies-Jones lied about being harassed. You can see from this video that her and her team approached the two activists while they were passing out a flyer in their local area, raising awareness of her complicity in the Gaza genocide. As you can see from the video, she doesn't look remotely scared. The court disagreed with the MP and the activist's convictions were overturned. An important victory, but a case that should never have been brought in the first place.
Asa, when you were preparing your report and you told me yesterday that you'd learned that my article was read out in court, I thought, no, Asa, did you make a mistake? Do you mean the defense read it out? And you said, no, it was the prosecution. The whole court would have had to listen to my article debunking so much of the propaganda.
Their entire argument.
Just another sign of the impact of the Electronic Intifada's journalism. So very, very proud of that.